This is presented by Grumbot Prime. This is the Grian puppet show. Okay?
Yay!
I am the warden. Oh no!
There's a frog! Never expect the frog.
I've only got 2 puppets, guys. Like, you gotta give me a break here. And there's only one of me, so the chase scene is gonna be Ah!
See, your little head just sneak by under the.
You can't be so awful.
Minecraft's limited, okay? And then there's
I'm
this.
so tall I can see the wardrobe changes too.
And then this ends with a. Oh no!
Oh yeah.
And I died. There we go. That's it. That's your puppet show.
Wow.
That was it.
Amazing.